Hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I am Kevin, and tonight we're going to make some Dill Pickle Ranch breaded wings. I'm going to do them on my Rectech Bullseye 380, and yeah, this is what they look like. Check that out. All right, that's right, breaded wings on a pellet grill. Let me go inside and show you how I put these together, and we'll come back out and do a taste test. For these dill pickle wings, I'm going to need some flour for my dredging station, 2 eggs, and this will be for the dill pickle dredge. First thing I got to do is get 2 eggs and a wet ingredient, and we're going to whisk that together with a tablespoon of dill pickle juice. Okay, going to whisk that together. So we're going to set this aside because now we got to get our dill pickle breading, and that's going to start with a bag of dill pickle chips. Okay, so I'm going to put these chips in a gallon bag, maybe. Okay. The ones that fall out, I guess I get to eat, right? All right, let's get these all in there. All right, gallon bag. And what I'm going to do is not only just crush them up, but this is a perfect opportunity for me to break out the Man Kitchen mallet again. Yeah! Alright, I think the Man Kitchen mallet did the job. So, for our coating, for our breading, we're going to put these dill pickle chips. That's probably too many, right? Don't you think? Need about 2 cups, but hey, that'll work. Then I'm going to get a pack of ranch dressing mix. You can add that to it. I'm going to add half a cup of panko breadcrumbs, 1 tablespoon of granulated garlic, half a tablespoon of smoked paprika, half a tablespoon of black pepper, and half a tablespoon of baking powder. And get this all blended up together. Okay, now we're going to do our dredging station. We're going to have our flour, our egg, and then our dill pickle chips and panko breadcrumbing with seasoning, for our coating right here. All right, let's get this going. So I've got about 2 pounds of chicken wings. First thing I got to do is put the chicken wing in the flour. And when I do the flour, I like to push the flour in really well. Like push it like hard so that it sticks really well. Okay, and you make sure that you got a nice coating of flour. Okay. Okay, just like that. Now we're going to go into the egg wash and then into the breading. All right, we're going to get this coated nice. Okay, then I've got a cooling rack here on a pizza pan that's got perforated holes that I'm going to put in the Rectech Bullseye. You want to make sure you got a nice coating on here. Okay, actually pushing pretty hard on it. Okay. All right, and then I'll set them on my rack and get the rest done. I'll be right back. Just like that, there they are. Once again, I have this pizza pan that's got holes in the bottom, and I'm putting this on the baking rack just so the air can get all around them. You want to try to leave some room in between each one so they don't really steam, so that they cook. Now at this point, you can either put these in the oven at 400 degrees, do them in your air fryer, but the true Man Kitchen way, I'm going to do these on my Rectech pellet grill. My bullseye 380 at 400 degrees for about 45 minutes. I'll come out, probably flip them about halfway through, and then go from there. So let's get these on that bullseye. Can't see it, but this bullseye is rocking 400 degrees. I'm just gonna set this right in there. All right, I'm gonna check them in about 20 minutes, see how they're doing. About a second for you. All right, we've been a little bit over 20 minutes, almost halfway. Boy, they look really nice. I think I will flip these over. All right, we'll let them go another 20 minutes. See you in a sec. It's been 45 minutes. Oh yeah, look at those. Let's get a temp check on them. 178, oh, 189. Yeah, they're ready. Get these off. Let them cool off about 5 minutes, and we'll do a taste test. Look at that. These Dill Pickle Ranch breaded wings, well, they need a dipping sauce, so I'm going to stick with the ranch. Okay, get some ranch in a bowl. And once again, we are going to use some pickle juice. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of pickle juice. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of garlic in there. Not a ton, but enough. Then you wanna whisk this together. All right, there you go. Now you got a dill pickle dipping sauce. Ranch, dill pickle. All right, there you go. Gotta have a dipping sauce. What do you think of that? Rectech bullseye 380 at 400 degrees for 45 minutes. I flipped them halfway through. Probably could have took them off maybe a minute or two sooner. Anyway, didn't that plate look good? Look at that. Okay, breaded chicken wings. Dill ranch dressing. Here we go. Mmm. Very crunchy, very delicious. Oh my gosh. If you like dill pickle, give these a try. Mmm. Don't worry. This dipping sauce is all mine. I can double dip, triple dip, whatever I want. All right, there you go. Mmm. That is so good. My goodness. All right. Thanks for checking this out. You want some different wings, bread them. Put them on a pellet grill. You can bread them with whatever you want. I chose the dill pickles. Dill pickle chips, flavored chips. And some panko. All right, guys. Thanks for checking this out. Hit the like and subscribe. Come back. See you in the next video. Hope you have a great day.